Hey beauties, it's day 5 of the Fit 40 challenge. How are we doing? For today's workout, I have an awesome plank series for you guys. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You can do it. I wouldn't have made the video if I didn't think you could do it. You got it. So I have 5 plank variations that we're gonna do today for one big circuit. If at any point you see an exercise that you feel uncomfortable with, or maybe your wrists start to give you trouble, just drop down to an elbow plank or pop into an elevated plank, which is just the stationary plank on your hands, or you can drop down to a plank on your knees. Now during these planks, I want you to make sure that your core is engaged. That means that you're sucking your belly button into your spine. You're keeping your hips level. So I want your hips parallel to the mat. I want your body to be one straight line from shoulders to heels. No dropping the hips, no raising the hips toward the ceiling, okay? When you're done with today's workout, if you feel like you wanna do a little bit more, I'm gonna link a suggested workout for you guys. It's gonna be our HIIT walking workout, which pairs perfectly with the total body work we've done this week, and it'll pair really well with today's plank series. For today's workout, you don't need any equipment, just your yoga mat, and you can grab a towel to cool down with at the end, all right? Let's get it.
I've got sunshine, I've got you now. Body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love now, and you're stuck in my mind. My body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. My friends don't like that I'm with somebody, that I'm with somebody. Oh no, oh no. I just want to stay in this melody, stay in this melody. Oh, oh. I've got sunshine, I've got you now. My body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love now, and you're stuck in my mind. My body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. My friends don't like that I'm with somebody, that Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky. Following our hearts and then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high. Laying on the grass, I close my eyes. Playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
day or night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody,